When it comes to upgrading your property, choosing the right windows is one of the most significant decisions you'll make. Windows are not just a functional necessity, but also a crucial element that impacts your property's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security. One brand that has gained widespread recognition for its innovative and high-quality products is Windows Severn. If you're considering a window replacement or installation, here are the top benefits of installing Windows Severn in your property. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most important factors homeowners consider when installing new windows is energy efficiency. Windows Severn are designed with cutting-edge technology to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. These windows feature double or triple glazing, which helps to create an insulating barrier that significantly reduces heat loss. As a result, your home maintains a stable temperature, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced utility bills. In addition to energy-saving features, many of these windows are built with advanced coatings that help prevent heat transfer. This means your home stays comfortable all year long, regardless of the outside weather, while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Improved aesthetic appeal. Windows are one of the first features people notice when they approach a home, and the right choice can instantly elevate the appearance of your property. Windows Severn offers a variety of styles and finishes to suit any property, whether you have a traditional home or a more contemporary design. With their sleek, modern frames and sophisticated design options, Windows Severn windows can complement the existing architecture of your home. From casement windows to sliding sash windows, these windows come in a range of customizable styles and colors to meet your aesthetic preferences. Not only will they enhance your home's exterior, but they'll also bring in more natural light, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere inside. Durability and longevity. When you invest in windows, you want a product that will last for years without requiring constant maintenance. Windows Severn are renowned for their durability, as they are made from high-quality materials such as UPVC and reinforced frames. These materials are resistant to the elements, including harsh weather, UV rays, and temperature fluctuations, ensuring that your windows will continue to perform well for many years. Additionally, these windows are highly resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an ideal choice for homes located in areas with extreme weather conditions. Their strong construction means that you won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon, offering long-term value for your investment. Enhanced security features. Security is always a top priority when it comes to your home. Windows Severn are designed with robust security features to give homeowners peace of mind. These windows are equipped with multi-point locking systems, which are much more secure than traditional single locks. This system ensures that the window remains securely fastened, even under pressure, making it harder for intruders to gain access to your home. Additionally, the high-quality materials used in Windows Severn products are not only durable but also hard to break, adding an extra layer of protection. This makes them an excellent choice for homeowners who want to increase their property's safety without compromising on style. Low maintenance. Unlike traditional wooden windows that require regular painting and maintenance, Windows Severn are designed for low maintenance care. The UPVC and other materials used in their construction are resistant to fading and discoloration, meaning you won't need to spend time and money on repainting. A simple clean with a damp cloth is all that's needed to keep these windows looking fresh and new. Their design also reduces the likelihood of condensation, which can lead to mold and mildew buildup. This makes the windows not only easier to maintain but also promotes a healthier living environment by preventing moisture-related issues. Sound insulation. If you live in a noisy area, you know how important it is to have windows that can block out unwanted sounds. Windows Severn are engineered with soundproofing technology to help minimize external noise, creating a more peaceful and quiet indoor environment. This is particularly beneficial for homes located near busy roads, airports, or in densely populated urban areas. With the added sound insulation, you can enjoy a more comfortable living space where you can relax, work, or sleep without being disturbed by outside noise. Increased property value. Upgrading to high-quality windows like those from Windows Severn can significantly increase the value of your property. Potential buyers recognize the benefits of energy-efficient, secure, and attractive windows, which can make your home stand out in the market. By installing these windows, you not only enhance your quality of life but also improve your home's resale potential, making it a wise long-term investment. Conclusion. Investing in Windows Severn for your property brings a wealth of benefits that will improve your home's energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, durability, security, and value. With their advanced technology and design, these windows offer superior performance, ensuring that your home remains comfortable, safe, and beautiful for years to come. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current windows or are building a new home, choosing Windows Severn is a decision you won't regret.